How to get your bass trap installed quickly and easily. First, take the provided mounting hardware that comes with each panel. You're going to go 16 inches from the corner to your first L bracket. Pro tip, take the L bracket and put a level against it when mounting. Step 2, you're going to want to make sure that the other L bracket is at the same height and 16 inches from the corner on the opposing wall. The next step is to go 47 1/8 inch down for the next bracket. The extra 1/8 inch will provide plenty of room for it to go in flush. Make sure that you use the level for each and every L bracket. This will ensure that your bass trap is mounted level. Your final setup should look something like this. Once you have your hardware set all the way up, you're ready to easily insert the bass trap between your 4 corner L brackets, like so. Next, you're going to want to install the screws directly into the panel frame. You're going to do this for the top and the bottom. Screw directly into the wooden panel frame. And now your bass trap should be good to go.